Hello guys, welcome back to another episode with the Griffin Initiative. This is the first episode of How to Unity 3D. So, first things first, this is episode 0 because we're not getting into any Unity stuff yet. We're just going to teach you how to download Unity. So, we're going to go to Unity 3D and we're just going to search download because whatever. Click this link. And here we'll tell you where to download it. And choose your Unity and download, or download a Unity Hub. I'd say download a Unity Hub. As soon as that is done, you hit run. Then you tell it where you want to save it, just like any other program known to man. Once that is done and you have it all set up, you have it saying you've restarted your computer if you needed to, and it's ready to go. Unity Hub should run, and if it's not, make it run. And it will show up in installs first. This is where it will tell you to locate a version, and it will say there's an error because there are no versions on your computer because you should not have one yet. And if you do, it could say look for one on my computer, or you could say locate a version, and you can physically go and locate that version. Otherwise, I'd say go to official releases and pick whichever one you want to go in first. There is no specific version that is the best. Now let me reiterate that for you. There's no best version of Unity. You could pick whatever one you want. I would say pick one of the more recent ones, like 2018.3 or 2019.1. Reason why I say that is 2018.3 is extremely stable. I don't know what LTS has to offer you, so not gonna tell you to get that, but 2019 has the newest physics engines and updates. It has a Havok physics engine, I believe, and it has a Unity physics engine. Those are two advantages. I keep on hitting this frickin' thing. So, if you want the new stuff, download 2019. Otherwise, download 2018.3 because that's what I will be teaching you in. And you can take all these values, everything I'm going to teach you, put it right to your other projects. So, download 2018 right now. Hit download. It'll download. Once it's done, go to projects, and you can create your first project. That's in the next video that will be coming up after this. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, like, comment, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below and let me know how this went. If it was too fast, let me know. Not all my tutorial videos are going to be like this. They will be slower. This is just to get you off the ground and within a minute of trying to figure out where do I start. Well, this is where you start. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, have a lovely day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.